Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Starstruck Mutations crop in Grow Garden 2. So, it's actually very easy. First, just simply log into the game during this Starfall weather event like this. You will notice the event is active when the skies turn dark blue and shooting stars start appear across the map like this. And once the event begins, just let your crops keep on growing, and if you are lucky, some of them will receive the Starstruck mutations. Like for example in here on my blueberry like this, and then next I want to try to harvest it like this. I want to harvest it and it will look like this. The mutations crop will change into a beautiful blue color like this with glowing golden sparkles like this. And these Starstruck crops are worth more than normal crops, so these mutations can help you earn even more profit when you harvest and sell them. And okay, that's it. Just play during this Starfall weather event and wait for the mutations to happen and let luck do the rest. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!